First things first, check if your iPhone is compatible. You'll need an iPhone 6 or later model, including the iPhone SE, and at least iOS 8.1. Make sure your iPhone's software is up to date. Head to Settings, General Software Update and download the latest version if needed. You'll need to be signed in to iCloud with your Apple ID. Go to Settings, your name iCloud to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. In the Wallet app, tap the icon in the top right corner to start adding a new card. When prompted, choose credit or debit card as the card type you want to add. Now, either scan your card by positioning it within the frame on the screen or tap Enter Card Details manually to type in the info yourself. After entering your card details, double-check that everything is correct, and tap Next. Take a moment to read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, tap Agree to continue. Your bank or card issuer might need to verify your card. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which could include receiving a text message, email, or phone call with a verification code. If you want this new card to be your default card for ApplePay, go to Settings, Wallet and ApplePay Default Card and choose the card you just added. That's it, you're all set to use ApplePay for contactless payments in stores, within apps, and on websites that support it. Feel free to add multiple cards to your Wallet app and switch between them when making payments. Just tap on the card you want to use within the Wallet app before making a payment.